Death is a consequence of life. Just as life is persistent, so is death. But what if I told you that you could live forever? Here's my top 5 ways to immortality in no particular order. Number 5. Organ transplant. Your brain never seems to fail, but your body seems to love failure. But what if you can change your body parts, like adding new headlights to your 99 Corolla? With bioprinting, you can. I went into this in more details in a previous video, which you can find in the link below. If you have failing kidneys, heart or lungs, no worries, just print one out and move on with your life. With the ability to change failing organs, you could, in theory, live as long as your brain is alive. But what if your brain dies? Number 4. Brain to the clouds. With the rate that computers are evolving and the prevalence of the simulation theory, the question of digitizing your brain has been pushed to the forefront. Your brain, along with thoughts and memories, are uploaded onto a computer. That means a digital version of you will be living on a computer forever. Since your brain is now data, it can be downloaded into an artificial body or other computers. Many copies may exist, creating, essentially, immortality. Number 3. Young blood. So maybe uploading your brain is kinda out there for you. Why don't you try becoming a vampire? Seriously. Researchers at Stanford University showed in a 2014 study that the infusion of blood from young mice reversed cognitive and neurological impairments in older ones, which significantly improved their performance in learning and memory loss. So, if you can get young blood, maybe you can live forever. Number 2. Nanobots. Researchers from Arizona State University and the National Center of Nanoscience injected nanobots into the bloodstream of mice. The nanobots targeted the blood vessels around cancer tumors, injecting them with blood clotting drugs to cut off the blood supply to them. According to the study published in Nature Biology, the treatment was successful in shrinking the tumors and inhibiting the spread. This technology, in theory, can be used to target other biological illnesses in the near future. Eventually, we could be walking around with a host of nanobots in our bodies taking care of things as major as cancer or things as small as the common cold. Number 1. Cryonics. The practice or technique of deep freezing the bodies of people who have just died in the hopes that scientific advancement may allow them to be revived in the future. Now, this one I think is a bit on the wonky side. I know that it's a very popular technology in movies, but seems to be a little unrealistic. With that said, many billionaires disagree with me, including the co-founder of Google. A company called California Life Company are providing the service. Investing in biotech breakthroughs is one way the super rich are trying to outlive death. And there you have it. These were my top 5 ways to immortality. Please leave a like or comment and subscribe. Also, follow me on Twitter for updates on upcoming videos. And as always, thanks for watching.